Hi, this is Mamta Marlecha. I'm practicing as a life coach. Today, my topic is how great people schedule their own day, how they are make their day more productivity, how they utilize their time to be to have the greater value, and how they work on each and every day towards that productivity, how they allocate their times towards their productivity, and how they manage their own time towards their success. In this video, we are going to see about how people manage their productivity and how they can work towards it. First, in productivity, first we are going to see when we wake up in the morning, we should start with the day not taking any devices. We should start either moving our body, either going for a run, or either going for a walk, or either any other exercises which you want to do to move your body. After that, you should be feel excited about your day, that you should be excited that you are going to achieve what you desired for this day. Have that excitement towards your goals, and you are going to ask yourself how I'm going to commit myself towards my day. If what things I want to do, I should accomplish, and I should work on myself. And first and foremost, we should be grateful for what we have in life. Ask what I am grateful for today, what I have done today. Just when you wake up, give the time for the gratitude. Move your body and feel excited about your day and about your goals, and start working towards your day. Make your body move and have that, and energize your body to kickstart your day. Then how they make the day more productivity. First, they don't open their computers. They first start with the day of what projects they have, either in a company, or for the women who want what are the five things they have, or the five goals they want to achieve in your company, what five projects they are handling over it. Note down that five projects and write about the three things what you are going towards that five projects. First, we are going to write about what are the four or five projects we are handling. Next we are going to brainstorm your ideas. Who are the people I'm going to work towards this project, what I can get help from them, what I am waiting for someone. So you're waiting on, you have to brainstorm your ideas for whom people you have to connect to get work done, and how you can, and wait for how what ideas you want to work towards this project, or towards yourself, what you are going to accomplish. Ask yourself, brainstorm your ideas. Next is, after brainstorming your ideas, you have to reach out the people. You have to reach out the people for the work done. You have to reach out the people for this work done, for anything you want to reach the, if you want to write a book, you have to reach the publisher. You have to reach someone to complete your work. So next, go to reach out people and start brainstorming your idea to whom you can reach out. Next, if you can open your computer in your email, uh, just see, don't see all the mail where the people you can reach out. Just check that and close the computer. Next, first put your priority list and work on your own priority list. Put 5 things that you are going to accomplish towards the day, towards that priorities. So that put has a priority and work towards it. First, finish your own priority, then reach out the people, give them time for the other priorities. First, what is your priority list? Check that and finish that, and just put a tick mark to know that you have accomplished for the day. So you have to be productive for your own priorities, then reach out the people with how we can give them priority, and how we can make the work done. So first, finish your priority list. So first is we are going to write what projects we are going to handle or what things we are going to accomplish. Next, we are going to brainstorm our ideas for reach out, or either reach out to people, or what we can be done to work on this. And third is you are making your own priority list about 10 things that you are going to do. Next is perseveration. Perseveration is first, we should have that perseveration with ourselves. We should have the clarity that what we are going to do with this. What first we should be present. First, whatever we are doing for the day, we should be completely present. We should be completely giving our time to other. We should completely honor the other people. Even for the kids, even in the relationship, you should be completely present to give your time. You should be completely there to listen to them and hold and you undo your work. So start being present to each and every each day, towards your work, towards your relationship, towards your yourself. Have that commitment to yourself. Next is clarity. You have to get clarity for what you want to do in life, for what are the things you are going to do, how you can do. Make a clarity things, make yourself clarity that I am going to work on this, and I have the list that I am going to accomplish this week, this goal. So have that clarity towards your goals and towards your list. Next be fully committed to that things. Be fully committed that you are going to do by pushing yourself harder, and you are going to work towards yourself. You are going to make your day more productivity. People who are get influenced by having that trust, having that admire how we present to them, and we have to care for their needs. So we should work on ourselves to have that behavior, to have that passion to move towards our life. We have enough quality within us, but we have to take out that inner fire, inner potential to know what we are capable of, how we can work towards our life. So take the responsibility of your life, take in charge of your life. Take 100% responsibility that I am going to make my day very excited. And at the end of the day, reflect yourself and see yourself what you have accomplished, and pat yourself that you have achieved these things for your day. And just before sleep, just take a deep breathe and just reflect what are the good things you have done for the day. So that will go into your conscious mind and help you to aware of what is going that mindset. If you sleep, you will get that you will get that desire in your life. So start working towards towards of feeling excited in your day, and have it and achieve the great excellence towards the end of the day. So reflect yourself each and every day how you can work towards your life, how you can work towards your life. You have to take that responsibility. We have to work ourselves for our 100% of productivity, how we can achieve these things in our life. So guys, work on yourself, how to make your day more productivity, and how we can and allocate our time with that with scheduling and giving priority to do list, that we are going to do these things in your day, and I am going to accomplish myself, and I am going to commit myself that I am going to do in your day. Learn from other people and implement in your life that you are going to do these things in your life. Have that power, have that have that enthusiasm when you start your day. Have that high energy, have that power. Move your body, move yourself, move have that high energy each and every day. After just if you want to have that high energy, just take a break, take a deep breath, do for an hour and be yourself. that you generate your high energy within yourself. Have that high energy, move your body, have that high state of mind, work yourself towards your improvement each and every day, and work yourself to accomplish that what we commit ourselves we are going to do in your day, and list your priorities and commit to that. I'm going to do these things in your day. Have that priority list and work towards your dreams and goals, and you surely achieve if you make your day more scheduling and more prioritizing. And when you prioritize your day, you can able to achieve what you want in life. So start prioritizing and scheduling your day, and make your day a productive day to achieve what you want in life. Thank you guys. Have a great day. uh, Thank you. Bye.